this is Evelyn from EC Projects. Now you've learned how to make a super delicious chamomile cashew syrup that is great for a coffee additive or to make the non-alcoholic cocktail, the cashew colada, from my other video. So we're going to make it a little bit more spirited today by adding some whiskey to it to make a variation of a whiskey sour. So we've actually picked a blended scotch called Black Bottle, which has beautiful butterscotch, vanilla notes, and a slight hint of peatiness that will complement really nicely the cashew and chamomile notes in your syrup. So how to make a whiskey sour? We're gonna start with a little bit of egg white. Just crack the egg white right into your shaker tin and save the yolk for baking later. And then we're gonna add 3/4 ounces of the cashew chamomile syrup. And a little bit of lemon juice next. So what we're going to do is actually zest this lemon, and we'll use the zest for a little bit later. So you want 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And we're going to add 2 ounces of the whiskey. Now you can use American whiskey, rye whiskey, Canadian whiskey, whatever you'd like. And then what we're gonna do is actually dry shake it without ice to start. It's called emulsifying, and that is what fluffs up your egg white, so the cocktail will stay up nice and high. And then what we're gonna do is add ice and give it a nice little shake. So when your shaker tin is nice and cold, about 10 to 15 seconds, you can strain it into your favorite cocktail glass. Now you can already see the beautiful froth that's in the glass. So what we're going to do last is actually zest the lemon directly on it. All you have to do is give it a little squeeze. And what that does is give it that really nice aromatic, so every single sip you take smells like lemon and tastes like beautiful chamomile and cashew.